everyone, this is the second I make video on my homework. Today I tell you about my goals at the course of the Zen Master. I would like to tell you about my secrets. I feel English the more hate and the more fear. For 8 years, time learns English in the class I live. Because I just learned the grammar rules very dry and boring. But I go to La Master. I hope I will speak English fluently because I want to study abroad later. Study abroad is the last goal of mine. Moreover, I love English songs. English songs are the best songs I hear, but due to poor English proficiency, so in my school organization English singing contest, but I do not participate. I want after study of La Master, I can speak well and can understand native speaker, and I can sing any song English. Above, I told you about my goal at the course of the La Master. Thank you for your listening. Bye.